Hello everyone, welcome to Laysee's kitchen again. Today I am sharing with you how I make my prawn fritters. It is soft inside and crispy on the outside. Best eaten by itself with peanut sauce or pairs very well with jawa mee, passember and etc. I am using dry prawns instead of fresh small white prawns with add veg like chives and bean sprout. This recipe requires no eggs, baking soda or yeast, instead I replace with ice cubes. It is soft inside and crispy on the outside. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl you need to add in 1 cup of cornstarch and 3 cups of wheat flour. Salt, turmeric powder, sugar and chicken granules for seasoning. Next add in 1 tray or 1 bowl of ice cube 2 cups plain water. You may add more as and when needed. Keep mixing until ice cubes fully dissolve. Heat up sufficient cooking oil for frying. Dip and ladle for a few seconds before scoping batter into oil.
Fry on each side before flipping from sides to sides until evenly golden brown. Remove and drain on paper towel.